Vivo confirmed that the Vivo X300 series will launch on October 13th in China. The latest release is the official Vivo X300 trailer. This trailer is about setting the right mood, the premium materials of the X300, the design, the camera-centric experience. Vivo X300 Pro official colors are Wilderness Brown, Simple White, Free Blue, and Pure Black. Vivo has also confirmed an IP68 and IP69 rating. The X300 is tipped to feature a 6.31-inch LTPO OLED display with a 1.5K resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. Use BOE's new Q10 Plus OLED with support for 1 nit minimum brightness. The X300 and X300 Pro will debut as the world's first phones powered by the Dimensity 9500. Ship with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 1 TB of UFS 4.1 storage. With Vivo's V3 Plus imaging processor and Origin OS 6, both X300 and X300 Pros support the Zeiss 2.35x telephoto extender. The X300 carries a 200-megapixel Zeiss primary camera paired with a 50-megapixel telephoto module, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens. Vivo X300 is said to carry a 6040 mAh battery with support for 90W wired fast charging, also expected to support wireless charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.